On March 8, 2025, a special event German Career Day was organized by the Department of Foreign Languages at Savitribai Phule, Pune University to explore professional opportunities in the German language. The event brought together German companies from the Pune region, educational institutions offering German language training and students. Speaking to Reporter Today News, Dr. Swati Acharya, the German language coordinator, said that
I am Swati Acharya. I head the German department at Savitribai Phule Pune University's Department of Foreign Languages. We had organized a German Career Day today. It was an initiative which was jointly organized by Department of Foreign Languages and German Academic Exchange Service, DAAD. And this was a great initiative where 20 companies as well as educational institutes which are dealing with German language had come together, and our students who are currently doing MA as well as some of the past students came together to have a direct exchange with the companies. So a lot of information was exchanged, a lot of career opportunities were shared, there was a job wall. So there were some companies like T-Systems and Goethe Institute, Max Muller Bhavan Pune, and many other companies which had requirements which were immediately shared with the students. So this initiative will actually help the students to know about job opportunities, what to do with their knowledge of German, and what the market expects from them. So a lot of internship opportunities were also open today. And this dialogue, the contacts that were established today will continue in future, and we will be in touch with the companies to be always in the know of more and more opportunities, because now, as we know, there is a new contract between Baden-Württemberg, a state in Germany, a federal state, and Maharashtra. And Germany requires more and more skilled labor force which knows German. I mean, these people have to know German in order to go to Germany. So all those preparatory work will be done here in Maharashtra, in Pune. And we are happy to be a part of this preparatory work. This was the German Career Day today.
So what is the idea of the German Career Day 2025? It's actually the first time we've been organizing this huge event with very, very interesting employers in the Indo-German field from Pune, Maharashtra and India in general. Now the idea is we have these very, very highly qualified MA graduate students. How can they make the transition from academia into the industry? That's basically the background idea of this entire project. So we decided to invite employers from all different fields, be it teaching, translation, industry, law, IGCC, Goethe, DAAD, all these big names. We decided to have them come to us and interact with our students. So we basically planned a career fair, and our students got the chance to connect with all these different employers in the area. They got to network, they got to actually leave their CV, and I feel like many of them might have actually scored some job opportunities today.
So my name is Gitanjali Fadnis. I represent T-Systems as an organization here today. It was wonderful to be a part of this culture day at SPPU. Today we met a lot of fresh graduates, postgraduates from MA and BA classes. We explained them about what are the opportunities related to German language in the industry. We explained them what skills they need to acquire. We got a phenomenal response. A lot of them have shared their profiles with us, which we are going to go back and evaluate now. And then we will be reaching out to them maybe to plan an internship or offer any roles that could be possibly relevant to them in near future.
Hello, I am Suyog from Department of Foreign Language SPPU. Currently I am doing my master's studies in German language, and today we organized, means like our department organized a German Career Day for all the students, and it was wonderfully organized. It was as per career fair in World Cafe format. So various people from various fields which are related to German language were invited, and it was like a golden opportunity for students to get to know new people, to give their CVs, and it has completely increased their horizon in field of this language, and they came to know about various career opportunities. And yeah, it was really a golden opportunity for all the students. Actually, when we speak about career opportunities or placements. So mostly in field of engineering, and those students get placement opportunities through their department. But when it comes to the foreign language, so this was completely a new idea, out of box idea, where even foreign language students can get to know about various fields. And yeah, it was really very helpful for all the students. Yeah.
Hello, I am Radhika Mishra, a student of Masters in German as a Foreign Language at the Department of Foreign Languages, SPPU. Today, it was our German Career Day organized by the Department of Foreign Languages, which helped us communicate with various experts from various fields like banking, international trade, consulting, etc. And it was a very great opportunity for us to converse with them and build our confidence. And this has helped as a bridge between our academic learning and real life career opportunities. So I would like people to come forth and learn these foreign languages. There is a lot of scope in career. You can reach out to many people, many industries, and surely you have a great career ahead.